everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw a straight line in Canva using two different methods. Let's get started with the first method. Go to the Tools section, click on Lines, and choose the first type of line available. You will see a straight line on the page that you can adjust in terms of length, position, and angle according to your requirements. Method 2. Navigate to the Elements tab, search for Line, and select Shapes. Click on All. You will find a variety of line options to choose from. Select the one you need and click Add it to your page. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.